What up, folks? It's your boy Versus here, and I'm going to talk about the lack of integrity that is upheld by the AI system. And there's going to be 3 videos within this one. And we're going to start off here with Dallas, and I'm controlling the Cowboys. Felix Jones is going to make a run attempt towards the right sideline. I do like this effort by Jason Witten right here, who makes a great attempt to spring Jones. I do not like what number 94 and 57 are doing. I don't mind that these players occasionally fall off balance or run into each other, but because this game does not represent weight, you will see this ragdoll physics type of collision right here. Now, Felix Jones is going to fumble, and the fumble is not something that I have a problem with. I think they need more fumble recovery animations. At least 3 can be done. We kind of see this same one over and over again, where the guys act like they pick up the football and just kind of carry on with this animation, even though it doesn't fit and it runs too long. But watch the football right here. It's going to kind of get kicked around. Then it's going to motion shift slightly into the hands of number 58 here, but as we can clearly see, his left foot is out of bounds. The problem I have with this game, this play, is that I'm not able to challenge this. And that is the main conception of this video, is that the AI system does not uphold any type of integrity. As you can see, the option to challenge the play is unavailable. Coincidentally, it's always unavailable when you need it. All plays that are eligible to be reviewed should be reviewable, period. I do understand that there are certain situations and circumstances, but in this case, the option should be there. Now here you can see the drive summary. At the 5-minute mark, there's this 894 next to it. Don't know what it means. But right here you can see at 450, Pierre Thomas gains 1 yard. And at 418, there's an incomplete pass intended for Devery Henderson. This is the play we're going to take a look at. Now here you can see the line of scrimmage is about 27 and a half yard line. Now here DeMarcus Ware doesn't really wrap up Drew Brees. Not much of a big deal, but I would like to see DeMarcus Ware make that sack. Now right here, Drew Brees should fumble this football. This happens a little bit too much in this game, having the animations being able to be augmented. At least a fumble should happen there. Drew Brees, it's close to the line of scrimmage. Whether or not this is a forward pass, I don't know, but this is the situation that should be looked at. In 2K football games, not only did the challenge option come up more frequently, but you had more options of what you could challenge. You can see Ratcliffe hits Drew Brees, and clearly this is a fumble. Drew Brees doesn't even get his arm all the way back. Clearly this is a fumble. Whether or not the refs actually rule this as a fumble or an incomplete pass, the option to review it, I think, should be there. And again, in most cases, the option isn't even available. All right, this is the third and final clip. It is the same game. It is 3:44 left in the second. And you can see in the coaching options, there is no option to challenge. And this is the play just ended. And again, I know that if you go to the replay, you can't challenge it. So let's, again, as you can see, there is no option to challenge. Not in any menu. Just in case they changed it, let's go and check game recap. And nope, it's not there. And for just in case you're interested in what the settings are, I'll show you. It's on All Pro. And here you can see Tony Romo. Um, I tried to go more towards the sideline. Even with the new passing trajectories, it's still collision course passing, meaning most of the time the passes are going to land in an awkward or unfavorable, unreasonable position to where the defense can get there in what seems just in the nick of time to make these type of amazing plays. Now, whether or not that's the case in this situation, not really the point. Great play by Malcolm Jenkins. But you can see number 21 dives for the interception, and the ball, once this first happened, I tried to, again, challenge the play, but it wasn't there. But going to the instant replays, you can see the ball hits the ground, and whether or not this is an interception, the option to challenge should be there. And at one moment, you can see that it seems that he kind of loses possession. And what the referees rule is irrelevant on this topic. The option to challenge should be there. It should be available when plays are reviewable. And the Madden franchise always had a problem with this.